The DJI Glide hybrid drone truly stands at the forefront of innovation, merging the realms of aerial photography and racing into a single, formidable device. With its sleek design and advanced engineering, it promises to redefine expectations for drone enthusiasts. The excitement surrounding its launch is palpable, as it seeks to break the mold of traditional drones that often excel in only one area. One of the standout features is its aerodynamic form, which allows it to cut through the air with impressive speed while maintaining stability, a crucial factor for capturing high-quality images or navigating tight racing circuits. The propulsion system is nothing short of revolutionary, enabling the drone to reach speeds of up to 90 miles per hour without compromising its performance. This is where the Glide hybrid drone shines, as it combines speed and precision, making it an ideal choice for both photographers seeking the perfect shot and racers craving adrenaline. The integration of an AI-powered flight system is another leap forward. It adapts to various environments, ensuring that whether you're soaring over a picturesque landscape or weaving through an intricate obstacle course, the drone responds with remarkable agility. The extended flight time and impressive range further enhance its appeal, allowing users to explore vast areas without the constant worry of recharging. In practical tests, the Glide hybrid drone has proven its worth. The exhilarating experience of watching it zip through an obstacle course or capturing breathtaking footage at high speeds showcases its versatility. The stabilization technology ensures that every shot is smooth, regardless of how fast the drone is flying. Ultimately, the Glide hybrid drone is not just a tool. It's a gateway to new creative possibilities and thrilling experiences. For anyone passionate about drones, it represents the future of aerial technology, promising endless adventures and stunning visuals.